Alright folks, just got done with the homemade mini skid steer log splitter attachment. Got a good deal on a 35-ton dirty hands. The beam in the cylinder was in good shape. The engine was shot, so I just ordered a quick attach plate, welded it to the back, hooked up some hydraulic lines, and we're ready to split now. So we'll get a short clip here and that big old maple back there. You know, it's a little punky, but that's what we got. Little update, I had to cheat, rip it with the saw. It was a little too big to try it in one shot, and then plus with these wild flares on there, it's hard to get a straight shot on it. So overall, for a little bit of money I got into it, it's gonna be a back saver, that's for sure. Won't have to rip these big rounds as much. Thanks for watching.